All right, here we are. This is wild.
Amazing stuff here.
It's an honor that only a sample of folks received nationwide. A Lexington man is one of 8,000 people chosen to take part in the Google Glass Test Project.
And he is here with us today. Ben Vandenbroek is here to fill us in on this very special honor and all this stuff up here. Okay, so we've got objects we see. And you just created these basically out of thin air.
Yeah, well, these are 3D prints, which basically creates an object layer by layer, and by the end of it, you get one of these. You can either print in parts where it all is moving and bendable, and you can print stuff where all the mechanics are finished inside of it. So this was a single object. It printed like this, and then it has working axles and a working dump truck inside of it. So. It's pretty neat. It actually rolls.
It's hard to wrap your mind around.
It is, but we're seeing it done over here, and you are literally printing out an object, right?
Exactly, yeah. We're layer by layer. It's coming from the bottom up, and this is actually Jonathan Efkin's Delta printer, and this is my BucoBot printer. They have different purposes, but they are basically the same thing.
And amazingly, you end up with something like this from a printer.
Yeah, exactly. Wild. So we hope to see these within like 5 to 10 years to be as common as a desktop computer.
Well,
absolutely.
What about these glasses you're wearing there?
This is Google's new glass project, which is the basically head-mounted display. It allows you to see your cell phone screen like hovering in front of you at all times, or whenever you want it, really.
So you're just looking ahead right now, and
I'm seeing the time, and I can like say, "Okay, glass, take a picture." And I've got a picture of you guys right now. So yeah,
that's crazy. Oh wow, that's amazing stuff.
How did you get into such futuristic things?
Well, about 6 years ago, I used to live in Los Angeles. I did visual effects for a couple of big studios like Adult Swim and shows like Robot Chicken and Moral Oral. But after that, the last year or so, I did 3D printing. I was a big fanatic of it, and just started obsessing with it to the point where I wanted to bring it back to Lexington. And now I'm hopefully opening up a studio here called ArtLab.
Wow.
Wow, this is amazing. So you literally, I mean, is your hope that we can get to the point as a society where we think, I want a coffee mug?
You just print it out if you feel like that's what you want to make. You can just download an object and just be done with it.
I'd like to have a dinosaur and then just print it. And
how about I would like $1 million? Will it print that out?
Well,
and that is the point. I mean, as we advance technology, there will be all kinds of regulations, questions. I mean, these glasses, for instance, is that distracted driving if you have those?
Well, they do have turn-by-turn navigation, so you can at any time say an address and it'll give you like a map like you would on your phone, but I consider it less distracting than a GPS on your dashboard because your eyes never leave the road. You're actually having it, you're more distracted looking down and being, not staring at the road and what cars are coming at you. So I think it's safer.
Very amazing technology. Benjamin, thank you
But don't watch YouTube on it. Don't watch YouTube while driving. That's not a good idea.
That would be bad.
Just fascinating, man. Thank you very much for coming in. We appreciate it.
No
We're going to
problem.
have a story later in our newscasts this evening
Find out
as
more.
well. Yeah, thanks a bunch. All right.